This week's project is for you to use Figma to build out a wireframe mockup for your e-commerce site. By now, remember you should have had just a simple little random project brief generated for you that should give at least the name of whatever product that you have, so it'll give you some direction on this. Later on, we'll get into some of the other details about the specifics, but for now, we just need the product and the name. For the exercise, we built the marketing landing page for your home page of it, and that kind of taught you how to set up and create all the different content. The rest of this project is up to you to design the features, the checkout, and the confirmation page. In doing so, use what you've learned to recreate this. Specifically, some of the things that I'm going to be looking for is that each page needs to be in a simple wireframe layout. No specific fonts, don't overly design it. Keep the colors at a bare minimum. Later on, we're going to add on those details. Every page does need to have a header to it that's got the name of and your product. So it should have, in my case, Leah's skateboards in the same spot of every page. There needs to be a little checkout icon. So this would be for your putting stuff in your little shopping cart. And there also needs to be a little hamburger drop-down menu. That needs to be part of the header on all of 3 of your pages. Going into the specifics of each page, the features page needs to have one main product featured. That should give the product, just give it a dummy name and a dummy price and description. And then underneath it, give it a photograph and some dummy features that could be part of it. You can make up the look and feel of how you want this to be laid out, but this is essentially what I'm looking for you to create. One product and then 3 little features that could be featured within that page. On the checkout page, it needs to show a photograph or an area for a photograph, the product name and price, along with any shipping, and then the total. Design out what it would look like once they're checking it out. And then below that, they need to be able to collect some basic credit card information. Their contact email, credit card, date, security, and then a little button to purchase it. And on the final page, this is their confirmation page. Essentially, it just needs to say, hey, congratulations, you're finished, you're all set, your order is on its way, and have some little icon to indicate that they are successful in checking out. So those are the 4 pages that need to be designed and have a good similar look and feel. Now, as with all of my projects, I want to emphasize that yours does not need to look exactly like my page. I am totally okay if you want to move some things around and change out the layout, use different colors, use different fonts. That's okay for what we're trying to do. I specifically am looking forward to seeing how you use the software and that you can create some simple little pages and some content on those pages. Once you finish designing all 4 of the pages, you need to save your document and export it as a PDF. Remember to do this, go up to File and export the frames to PDF. You can save it in a medium quality to your desktop, and all 4 of these frames, let's see, I'm going to put this as my name on it. All 4 of the pages are what you'll upload to the Canvas page as that one PDF. So that's going to be it for this week. Next week, we're going to jump in and talk about adding a lot more interactivity as well as doing some other special effects and adding details to an overall workable prototype. Y'all have fun. Remember, you can contact me if you have any problems or questions during our tutoring time.